My mother refused to let me have my phone on me. My friends and I usually hop on a Discord call for D&D or other games, and so I usually need to have my phone on me to make sure the plans are still on for the day. And it was around the time when we would be confirming. But we were going to be walking on the beach, and she didn't want me staring at that damn phone the whole time. I tried to convince her several ways, such as picture opportunities or anything along those lines, but no dice. Fine. We went walking. Halfway through the walk, we find a pair of seagulls eating the corpse of a baby shark that washed up on land. Neither of us had our phones. I still make fun of her for that, and use that as my leverage to never be without my phone.